Hey yo, how you doing? It's Chris Oates. What I'm doing here, I've done I've nearly finished the bathroom. I've done the ensuite, nearly finished the bathroom, but what I need to do first thing this morning is I want to give this all a coat of primer. I'm doing this floor in a (700 by 700) look-alike parquetry floor. But what I need to do, this house is over 70 years old. I'd like to prime the floor. Let's just bang this on my head so I can talk and walk and all that jazz. Right, we're good to go. This house is roughly 70 years old, and I'd like to prime the floor because it's, you know, really old concrete. I did the ensuite a couple of weeks ago. I'm working on the bathroom at the moment, but I want to prime this floor so it has time to dry. It can have a few hours to dry and we'll be good to go. So we'll load her up. I've got the owner to take off the skirtings. So as far as a job for a tiler, this job is a piece of piss because there's no partitions. I lay this and I do this hallway. I've given the owners three options: a grout line straight down the middle, but then you have a little bit of waste. You could go a full tile against one wall, and the offcut is small enough that you'll get two out of a tile. I'm going to see how I go. I might centralise that doorway, that front door, centralise that and see how it looks. See my cut over the other side, see the cut here. I'll have a look later, but I'll get this primer down first and then it has time to dry. The owner was hoping to plaster that ceiling, but he hasn't had time. I've been away for a couple of days, well, 4 actually, 4 days. Give him a bit of a chance to do things. And I had Grandy's, it's their school holidays, so it's all worked out well. Ooh, look at this. I do recommend this to you guys. It doesn't break the bank putting the primer down on the floor. I don't do it if the concrete is 15, 20 years old, but this is like 70. The amount of time it takes and the amount of money this costs is stuff all. You know, that primer is, what's it worth? $70? Well, that's nothing. The floor is, and the hallway is approximately 68 square metres. But to have no partitions and that sort of thing for a tiler is absolute, and no skirtings. Don't bloody walk to your primer all the time, Chriso, come on. Take the tray with you. You're always thinking of things like that. I'm a contractor, so you never come back empty-handed from doing anything. You're always carrying something. It's just, yeah, being a contractor like that, you're always using your brains, that you're never walking around empty-handed. And me walking from there over to there all the time to load up my roller, nah, that's a no-no. I've got a couple of things still to do in the bathroom. I'll go on there with my camera. I've got a bit of grout to finish off, bit of white grout, bit of floor grout. And then I'll silicone it tomorrow when it's dry. And we're good to go. Okay, people, stay tuned. Subscribe. Give us a thumbs up if you would. If you like my channel, if you like what you see, if you enjoy listening to me carry on like an old woman. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. And we're laughing. There's a lot of work to bring this place up. I don't know if it's sort of my thing. I probably would have stripped the whole thing out, start again. Anyway, they like the timber stained like that. To me, that's old-fashioned, but people still like it. Okay, this is Chriso. We'll see you soon. I'll be back shortly. See ya. Bye. G'day everyone. It's Chriso. So yesterday I primed the floor just as I was finishing off this bathroom, finishing off the grout. I've still got to silicone it yet, but plenty of time. Put a skirting tile around there in the toilet. So to what this bathroom looked like when it was in the rough stages, it was pretty shitty. Now it's you know, it's come out fairly respectable now. Up there, the owner's going to carry on the cornice and that sort of thing. I would have taken that cornice off because it's all getting a bit old. I would have taken it off, DIYs if you're doing your own bathroom and it's an old reno like this. Take your cornice off, take your tile up, and then go over the top with your cornice. But it'll still come out, you know, it'll still come out pretty good. So with this floor, everyone, it's going to look like a parquetry look-alike. So I'll mix up some glue. This time I will be back buttering my tile because it's a 750 by 750 tile, so it's pretty big. The concrete, this slab was done 70 years ago. It's a 70-year-old house. It's not too bad, but it's like I've seen worse these days, and you've got all your fancy equipment these days to make a nice flat floor. But it's pretty good. It dives away a little bit down there. Looks like we've got a bit of a shitty leak there, but that's cool. We'll tile it. The owner will be fixing that, or if he hasn't already. Alright, this is Chris O. Stay tuned, people. We're laying a 750 by 750 tile. I'll get into it in a minute. I'll just finish setting up. Yo!